Hey, welcome back to Living Dayton. Prepare to be amazed with some hair-raising science.
Oh yeah, Mr. C is here with a fun experiment you could do at home with the kids. You never disappoint us, Mr. C, but you have cabbage this time. I'm very intrigued.
Yes, cabbage is delicious. Smell that. The aroma is just, it's good. All right, so what we're gonna do is, if that's any indication of what we're doing today, we're gonna have some fun. So in fact, we're gonna use cabbage as an indicator, and we're gonna talk bases and acids today. So many of us probably don't know that red cabbage, which you can pick up at the grocery, has a chemical in it in its pigment called anthocyanin, and it's great to use as an indicator. And so what you have to do is really quickly, to determine if something is an acid or base, get some distilled water, and I already tore some of ththese cabbage leaves off, throw them in. And the smell is just phenomenal once we get it going here.
Oh no. Yeah. I'm going to take it as sarcasm.
Oh yeah, it has a potent smell. But then we're just going to blend it for a second.
All right. It looks pretty.
Let's pretend we're making like a healthy smoothie or something.
Yeah, let's do that.
How much would I have to pay for you to gulp that down?
$1 million.
$1 million?
Really?
I think we could get that together. You would drink this?
I would do $100.
I mean, $100, maybe 50.
I come in a hefty price now.
So what we're going to do now is that we've got it going. We want to strain out all the yucky parts in terms of the chunky parts so that we have our juice. And this is an indicator juice. And what's really cool about this is, let me get rid of this and just boop,
Real quickly, let me nerd out for a sec. What's the scale called when you're doing acids and bases? What's it called again?
pH.
The pH scale.
Power of hydrogen.
7 is neutral, right?
7 is neutral, and that's exactly what we're looking at. So Zach,
science.
He and I did not work on this at all.
That's right. I just remember that everything that Ms. Scoopman taught me in 8th grade.
Well, Ms. Scoopman, if you're out there watching, great job. So what we've got is I have a bigger batch that I made at home this morning, and I wanted this for you guys. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use this now, and we're going to test to see what we have going on. Now in front of us we have 6 or 7 cups, and you can see that I have a matching red cabbage juice cup right there, right? So what you're going to do, Zach, you're going to work on that end. Julie, you're going to work on this end.
Okay.
And you're going to take, this is our indicator. So that it's essentially 7, it's neutral, right? And so when we add a little bit of that to that on the end, which is vinegar.
Am I doing the same thing?
All right, yep, so it turns, it's a nice pink color, right? And over here we have ammonia, it turns a greenish color. And so what we have is, with this pigment, things that are red and pink, we know as acids. Things that are blue and yellowish, blue, yellow, and greenish are going to be a base. Exactly. So we can use this to see what's going on at our house. So Zach, let's do the lemon juice and see what, you might have to add a little bit more to that one.
Oh, that's acid for sure.
Yes. All right, let's see what we've got here. We've got some bleach, household bleach.
Okay, orange.
Yeah, it turns orangish and back to yellow. All right, Zach, let's see what we've got going with this. Oops. Let's pop that can of Sprite open.
Oh, there we go.
All right, Julie, let's do this one really quick.
Okay, what's this?
This is laundry detergent. And I'm going to stir that up a little bit.
Yeah, it's not really mixing in there well. It's not really, it's kind of a combination of light purple and...
It's kind of a blue. Add a little bit more to it for me.
Okay.
See what it does. There we go. That's a nice, pretty blue.
Nice. Okay.
And let's see what that Sprite does.
Whoa.
It's also pink, right? And we know that the things on the right-hand side on the screen over there by you, Zach, those are all acids. So we have like soda pop, citric acid, right? Your dentist doesn't want you to be drinking lots of soda because the acid erodes the enamel on your teeth. And then over here we have our bluish greenish colors, which indicate that these are all bases or alkalines. And so this is something really fun you can do at home. You grab a cabbage for $2.50, you mix it up, get some distilled water. And you want to use distilled water because if you use your tap water, it might not actually turn purple initially. You might actually have some alkaline water. So when I do mine with household water, it turns blue instantly. But I have something else I want to do with you.
Do you want to use a purple cabbage, or can you use green cabbage as well?
I would use the purple.
Okay.
I haven't actually tested it with the green. But Zach, next to you, you have a little spoonful of baking soda.
Oh,
see right there?
There it is.
Go ahead and put some in there, right there for me. We're going to do one more thing. Stir that up.
Okay, we're about out of time here. What's supposed to happen?
Well, that is the blue, and we're going to take an acid now, and we're going to reverse it.
Very cool.
And we're going to have a little bit of a
Whoa,
mess.
a little messiness in the studio. So
Little bit of
Mr. C,
mess.
your website, Facebook page.
LearningScienceIsFun.com. I have a video of this that you can do at your house. It's all ready to go, and just check it out and follow along.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you.